Oh. Activation.
We have just received important information regarding an abducted child in Davenport, Washington, Lincoln County. Lincoln County is looking for a child who was last seen at 37069 Knotty Pine Lane, Davenport, Washington, and is believed to be in danger. The child's name is Chelan County. She is a 15-year-old female with brown hair and brown eyes. She is believed to be 5 foot 6 inches, weighing 135 pounds. She was last seen wearing a brown sundress with white sandals. Authorities say that the child may be in the company of Jacob Jones. He is a 27-year-old male with brown hair and green eyes. He is believed to be 6 foot and 4 inches, weighing 197 pounds. They may be traveling in a 2002 white Dodge Neon vehicle, Idaho license plate D43282. If you have any information on the whereabouts of this child, please contact 509-725-3501 or 911 immediately.